Well, welcome to video class. This is K. Damodar Reddy, lecturer in chemistry in Government Degree College for Women, Vanaparthi. Previous class discussed heterocyclic compounds of pherol, furan. Previous class discussed synthesis of pherol, properties of pherol. And synthesis of furan, properties of furan. Today we are going to discuss thiophene, another heterocyclic compound, thiophene. Thiophene is 5-membered heterocyclic compound like pherol and furan. So thiophene having 2 pi bonds and lone pair of electrons. So thiophene obey the Ockel's rule. That's why thiophene is a aromatic compound like furan and pherol. So furan is less aromatic, thiophene is more aromatic. So we can explain aromaticity of heterocyclic compounds. You can see here resonance energy of furan is 16 kilocalorie per mole, pherol 22 kilocalorie per mole, thiophene 29 kilocalorie per mole, benzene 36 kilocalorie per mole. This resonance order depends on the electronegativity of heteroatom. The more electronegativity of the atom, the more tightly holds its lone pair of electrons. That's why more reduce the ease of delocalization. That means aromaticity. Most electronegativity of oxygen in furan, most decrease aromaticity. Least electronegativity of sulfur in thiophene, least decrease aromaticity of thiophene. So that's why thiophene is more resonance energy compared to furan. So synthesis of thiophene, we can prepare the or synthesize the thiophene from Polnar synthesis. So pherol, furan also prepared from Polnar synthesis. We can take the 1,4 dicarbonyl compound. So here also 1,4 dicarbonyl compound reaction with sulfur content, that is P2S3, we can get the thiophene. So the condensation of 1,4 dicarbonyl compound with P2S3 gives thiophene. So whereas in the case of pherol synthesis from polymer synthesis, we can take the 1,4 dicarbonyl compound reaction with ammonia, whereas in the case of furan 1,4 dicarbonyl compound reacts with P2O5, we can get the furan. So this is the synthesis of thiophene from polymer synthesis. Second method of synthesis is from sodium succinate. This is a laboratory synthesis. Eating a mixture of sodium succinate and P2S3, we can get the thiophene. This synthesis is using in laboratory method. Once again, heating a mixture of sodium succinate and P2S3, we can get the thiophene. So thiophene synthesized from two methods. One is polymer synthesis, another one is laboratory synthesis from sodium succinate. So thiophene is a aromatic compound, obey the Kel's rule. So it is undergoing electrophilic substitution reactions like pherol and furan. So we can recognize two positions mainly. One is C2, another one is C3. So attack of electrophile at C2 position, more resonance contributing structures are formed compared to C3. So that's why electrophile mainly preferable at second position in thiophene. So in pherol and furan also, attack of electrophile preferable at C2 position, that means alpha position. So now we can see the electrophilic substitution reactions of thiophene in nitration reaction. Thiophene reacts with acetic acid and HNO3. You can get the 2-nitrothiophene major product and as well as 3-nitrothiophene. 3-nitrothiophene. This is a minor compound. Sulfonation reaction of thiophene is, thiophene reacts with sulfur trioxide in the presence of pyridine. So we can get the thiophene 2-sulfonic acid. So hallucination reaction. In a hallucination reaction of thiophene, thiophene reacts with chlorine. 2-chlorothiophene is major product and 2, 4 2, 5 dichlorothiophene. This is the minor compound. So thiophene reacts with the chlorine. So 2-chlorothiophene is major product and gives minor compound of 2,5-dichlorothiophene. So thiophene reacts with the acetic anhydride in the presence of BF3. The aldehyde group attack at second position of thiophene. These are the electrophilic substitution reactions of thiophene. Reduction reaction of thiophene. Reduction reaction of thiophene. Thiophene undergoing reduction in the presence of metal catalyst. We can get the butane. In this reaction, desulfurization takes place. In the presence of nickel as a catalyst, the hetero atom of sulfur in thiophene undergoes desulfurization reaction. This is most important one. So whereas in the case of palladium, we can get the tetrahydrothiophene. Another reaction is thiophene reacts with n-butyl lithium. You can get the 2-thiophene lithium is formed. 2-thiophene lithium reaction with the carbon dioxide and follows acid hydrolysis reaction takes place. You can get the thiophene 2-carboxylic acid. So pherol, furan, thiophene are the heterocyclic compounds. Majority of drugs, in drugs these units are present. Thiophene unit also present in cardiovascular agent of drugs. You can take the anticonvulsant agent of drugs has thiophene unit. So heterocyclic units uses in medicinal uses, cardiovascular agent, anticonvulsant agent, anesthetic agents. These are the drugs having thiophene units. So we are discussed next heterocyclic compound, that is pyridine. So we can discuss the aromaticity of pyridine. In pyridine, 3 pi bonds are present and 1 lone pair of electron present on nitrogen. So 3 pi bonds having 6 pi electrons. These are conjugated pi bonds. So according to Kills rule, obey the Kills rule. This is aromatic in nature. So pyridine has 5 carbons and 1 nitrogen atom. That's why according to Uckel's rule, this is the aromatic in nature. So we can discuss the basicity of pyridine. Pyridine is more basic than pherol. Pyridine is more basic than pherol. Why pyridine is more basic than the pherol? Basicity depends on availability of lone pair of electrons. In pyridine, nitrogen have lone pair of electrons. So it is not participating to resonance. Lone pair is readily available for acid base reaction in pyridine. Whereas in the case of pherol, nitrogen have lone pair of electrons. These electrons participated in resonance, that means delocalization of lone pair. That's why not readily to available for acid base reaction. So as lone pair of electrons of pyridine are readily available than pherol. Pyridine is more basic than pherol. Therefore, pyridine is more basic than pherol. So simply we can say basicity depends on availability of lone pair of electrons, whereas in the case of pyridine, lone pair of electrons are free, whereas in the case of pherol, lone pair of electrons participated in resonance. That's why in pyridine availability of lone pair of electrons very easy. That's why this is more basic compared to pherol. Next one, pyridine is less basic than aliphatic amines. What is the reason? Pyridine is less basic than aliphatic amines. What is the reason? We can see here, in pyridine nitrogen has sp2 hybridization, whereas in the case of aliphatic amines sp3 hybridization. So sp2 means more electronegative of the S character. This is the less electronegative of the S character. So sp2 hybridization, nitrogen is more electronegative, that means more S character than sp3. Lone pair of electrons more closely held towards more electronegative nitrogen. That means nitrogen available for acid base reaction. Nitrogen less available for acid base reaction. As lone pair of electron is not readily available in pyridine, it is less basic than aliphatic amines. So we can discuss the tautomerism. Tautomerism in pyridine. Tautomerism structures involves when pyridine substituted at second or fourth position with groups such as OH group, NH2 group or SH group. You can take the 2-hydroxypyridine. This is undergoing tautomerism. Takes place, you can get the 2-pyridone. So 2-hydroxypyridine converted into 2-pyridone due to the tautomerism. So pyridine is water soluble compound. This is organic compound. It is not insoluble. Maybe it is not insoluble water, but soluble in water due to the hydrogen bonding between pyridine molecule and water molecule. Pyridine molecule and water molecule. So here pyridine forming hydrogen bonds with the water molecules. That's why pyridine is water soluble compound. So synthesis of pyridine, condensation of an aldehyde with 2 moles of beta dicarbonyl compound and ammonia. You can get the pyridine. Another synthesis is pyridine synthesized from 1,5 dicarbonyl compounds. You can take the 1,5 dicarbonyl compound, reacts with ammonia, followed by oxidation reaction in the presence of HNO3. You can get the substituted pyridine. So pyridine reacts with HCl, pyridinium chloride is formed. This is the evidence for basic property of pyridine. So in pyridine, nitrogen has lone pair of electron. That's why this is the basic in nature. So pyridine reacts with acids of HCl. You can get the pyridinium chloride. So pyridine reacts with the alkyl halides converted into N-alkyl pyridine. So you can substitute the alkyl group on nitrogen of pyridine with alkylation reaction. So pyridine reacts with HCl. You can get the pyridinium chloride. From this reaction, evidence for basic nature of pyridine. So pyridine is a aromatic compound. That's why this is undergoing electrophilic substitution reactions. We can recognize the three positions in pyridine, that is C2, C3, C4, also alpha, beta, gamma. See here, attacking of electrophile at the C2 position, the resonance structures of nitrogen of sigma complex having positive charge. Whereas in the case of C4 position, attack of electrophile at C4 position, the resonance structures of nitrogen having positive charge. Whereas in the case of attacking of electrophile at C3 position, in those resonance structures of nitrogen not having the positive charge. So, nitrogen having positive charge generates the less favorable, that's why this is destabilized structures or less stable sigma complexes attack of electrophile at C2 and C4 positions compared to C3. So, pyridine undergoing electrophilic substitution reactions, that third position is more stable compared to C2 and C4 position. Once again, nitrogen is electronegative atom. So, positive charge on nitrogen destabilize the structures, resonance structures or sigma complex structures. So, here attack at C2, C4 generates nitrogen plus intermediates, that's why less favorable than the C3. So, C3 is favorable as it cannot generate N plus intermediate in sigma complexes or resonance structures attacking of electrophile. So, we can simply say electrophilic substitution reactions of pyridine, the electrophile more convenient to attack at C3 position compared to C2 and C4. So, now we can take the nitration reaction. Pyridine undergoing nitration reaction with nitrating mixture, 3-nitropyridine is formed. So, NO2 plus electrophile attacked at third position in nitration reaction. So, sulfonation reaction, pyridine undergoing reaction with oleum or fuming sulfuric acid and HgSO4, SO3H group attacked at third position, pyridine 3-sulfonic acid is formed. Whereas in the case of hallucination reaction, pyridine undergoing reaction with the Cl2 in the presence of AlCl3, 3-chloropyridine is formed. Whereas pyridine reaction with the bromine in the presence of oleum, you can get the 3-bromopyridine. Bromopyridine is produced in good yield by the action of bromine in oleum. 3-chloropyridine can be produced by chlorination in the presence of AlCl3. So nucleophilic substitution reactions of pyridine. So pyridine is a pi deficient heterocyclic compound. That's why pyridine undergoing nucleophilic substitution reactions also. So in pyridine, attack of nucleophile on second position gives more stable intermediate containing negative charge on nitrogen atom compared to third position. So you can see the sigma complexes of attacking of nucleophile in pyridine. Nitrogen have negative charge in second position compared to third position. So that's why nucleophilic substitution reactions takes place in pyridine second position. So example for nucleophilic substitution reaction is Chichi-Bobin reaction. So Chichi-Bobin reaction means amination of pyridine. The amination reaction of pyridine is called as the Chichi-Bobin reaction. So pyridine reacts with NaNH2 in the presence of ammonia to aminopyridine or pyridine to amine. So this is a example for nucleophilic substitution reaction. In this reaction, nucleophile NH2 minus attacking at the second position, you can get the pyridine to amine. So reduction reaction of pyridine, you can take the reduction reaction in the presence of palladium charcoal. So in pyridine 3 pi bonds are present. 3 moles of hydrogen undergoing reduction reaction or participated in reduction reaction, you can get the piperidine as well as using sodium methyl alcohol also reducing agent for the reduction of pyridine. So pyridine undergoing reduction reaction, you can get the piperidine. So medicinal uses of pyridine: omeprazole is the another drug. In omeprazole, pyridine unit is present, as well as the vitamin B3, nicotinic acid and nicotinamide having pyridine units. Vitamin B6, in vitamin B6 also pyridine unit is present. That's why in omeprazole, vitamin B3, vitamin B6 having pyridine units. Okay, thank you one and all. This is the topic for heterocyclic compounds.